Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The GLE comes with a full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.